Your red are really juicy.
The National Weather Service in Danvers has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 921 and is effective until 7:32 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Danvers, Windham, West Peabody, Hathorne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including severe thunderstorms, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to No Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.